today with you, sharing another Unity quick tip video on how I created this cute, adorable card with winter boy and girl. I'm going to be paper piecing, so I've stamped out all of the articles of clothing that I want on different colored pieces of cardstock, and I'm going to fussy cut them out. I cut right up to the line where the clothing starts, and then I cut off parts that are not the clothing that I will not be using. Paper piecing is a really fun way to give your card some really fun and cute decorative pieces. I'm going to take my Tombow black marker and I'm going to run it across all of the edges. It makes it so it pops. And I put it on my paper and sewn around it. I put them on pop dots. They're so cute. I've Copic colored their hair and their skin and his pants and her stockings. Using some stickles, I've selected a few of the snowflakes to give them some shimmer and sparkle. There it is, cute!